Ralf's Automotive. Got a few minutes before I got a car coming in. Got another rant today. And in particular, this is about a company that is based in California. I've been a long-time customer of theirs. Because of me, they probably sold upwards of $3,000 to $4,000 worth of stuff, I would say. Like I said, I've been a long-time customer of theirs. And the company name is DDM Tuning. And I don't know how familiar you guys are with this company, but that company sells lighting equipment, as in automotive related stuff. They sell LED bulbs, HID kits, and all that. I've had good luck with that stuff over the years. You know that they're generally pretty good quality parts if you follow the installation rules. But that's not why we're here today. We're not talking about the quality of the parts. So it's been some time ago. Date is really irrelevant at this point in time. That's not what this is about. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. So last week, like in the early part of last week, well, heck, dummy, it's got a date on it. Now, okay, on the 3rd of February, I sent an email off. I had placed an order with them like a week or so before. I don't remember the exact dates, but this is not about dates. So I've got a notification with a tracking number, and the ship is coming out of China. So I sent this email off, and this is the email. I'm not going to go into details. I mean, I can show you this, but it's irrelevant. This is from a lady named Shirley. And anyway, on the 3rd, I sent an email to them. I said, why is this coming from China? One of the reasons I get kits from you is because you are located in the U.S. I will not buy from you again. Also, that order was placed a long time ago. So she replied back to me. She goes, hi Ralph. We used to be able to send items from our stores in California. However, as the company has expanded, our walk-in purchase volume has kept growing. Therefore, we use all the inventory in California stores to fulfill walk-in orders, and we built a fulfillment center in China to ship items, for example, HID light bulb, blah, 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 to customers directly. Like I said, this is on the 3rd, okay? And I have not seen anything since. But anyway, she's got a little bit in here, you know. That, ladies and gentlemen, to me, that's a crock. So you take care of your walk-in customers, but basically you poo on the existing customers. You know, I understand people that don't buy much from them, you know, like a light bulb or, you know, a couple of LEDs, no big deal. You know, I've been a long time customer with them. You know, I have had a ton of people that I told about them, you know, because they normally pretty quick to send something, and you trade, you want to send something off for warranty. They're great. They're great about it. Well, at least they used to be, you know. And this is my rant on that one. I think it's ridiculous that companies would even send such a reply back to me. You know, they can clearly see who I am. They see my account. They see my purchase history. Of course, what they don't see is all the people over the years that I've referred to them. you know, and I did the installs on a lot of these kits. But that right there is not going to ever happen again. From now on, if somebody asks, I'm going to tell them I would not buy from this company. You can get, and the reason for it is not for spite, but the shit comes from China anyway. Excuse my French. You know, if I wanted to order from China and wait, I could have done that on eBay. You know, I could have bought a kit and had a warranty and all that good stuff and done it on eBay for half the price. You know, that's one of the reasons I did business with these people here. You know, that's crap. You know, that's all I got to say about that. That was my little rant. Other than that, I got a couple of boxes today. As you can probably see, you might have figured that out already. For one, I had an incident with this. While I'm on a rant, let's keep going. This here is a fairly new GE air conditioner. And this shop here is insulated pretty good. So this air conditioner here was like 19,000 BTU or whatever. But anyway, it's sufficient to heat the shop. And as you probably heard a while ago, I've got a new one today. And it kicked on for a short while just a minute ago. So you probably caught that. But anyway, this GE over here, junk. They ought to be ashamed of themselves as well, because I was out in the shop working, and you know, air kicking on and off, and hey, that's great. It was cold outside. Like I said, the air conditioner don't run very long. The heat part of it anyway. I keep saying air conditioner. Well, it is the air conditioner, but heat part of it don't run very long. Like I said, this is pretty good insulated, so I don't really have a problem heating it. But I was working on a car, and all of a sudden I heard something hum. I didn't think anything of it. And shortly thereafter, I heard it again. I thought I'm going to have to check what the humming is. And by that time, well, it was already too late. This air conditioner, water got in, and it got on the fan, and internally it started freezing, locked the fan up, and cooked the coils, basically. The heating coils in there, they're cooked, you know. I could have had it replaced. This one here was just a tad bit small for the summertime. You know, it takes a whole lot more to cool something down when it's blistering hot outside like it gets here. But anyway, fan locked up, burned the element up, so I had to replace it. Well, that's one of the things I got today. Finally got that unit in. I've already put it in. This is a little bit bigger. I had to cut the hole a little bit bigger and all that good stuff.